So this isn't my car, but we're going to be doing some work on it anyway. Specifically, what we're going to be doing is both of the wheel bearings on the rear, because one of them's kind of short, and the other one, well, we might as well just replace it. But yeah, first things first, let's just take off the wheels, because why not? So yeah, we'll do that. Oh yeah, you hear that? That's lovely, isn't it? So what we've done is after we've chucked this underneath it for some support, we've taken, or we've braketed this bolt here. Oh, you can kind of even move it with my hand. And we've also broken this bolt right here so that we'll take off the brake caliper and the brake rotor at the same time. We'll just rest it here. So yeah, we'll get a little spanner, and then we'll get those two off, and then we'll hopefully be able to take this off and then dump it there, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so change of plans. We've chucked the caliper right there because it wasn't going to rest there, but now we can just get this off. If we can, there we go. Whew. Beauty.
Sick.
We can chuck that there though, and now
We need to
take the 4 bolts out here, then we should be good. That one. Alright, now let's take the ratchet to it and just go to town. Yeah, no, that looks a finger tight. Maybe not the bottom ones, but the ratchet's not going to fit. It's too chunky. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 4, there we go. So we've got to get this separated, I think. Maybe you should actually open the box.
yeah, see what exact parts we got.
So we've gotten this out, but how this works is, I don't know if you can see, but this in there, right there, that's where it's connected. So this is what it looks like when it's out and new. And this goes right there. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna spray some penetrating fluid, just trying to get it a little loose. Then we're gonna take a hammer and then try and knock it loose. So we'll let that sit for a bit, and then we'll give it a couple hits and try and pull it out. It was a lot easier than we were expecting because we just gave it a few taps from the front, 3 taps from the back, and it just popped out right down. So yeah, listen to that.
If you can hear over the lawnmower.
Yeah. But no, yeah. So now what we got to do is put that one in. So yeah, let's do this now. What we got to do, got to get it in the right way. Oh yeah, there we go. That's all lined up. But it just doesn't want to line up to here. Okay. Wait, hold up. Okay, so if I hold it like that should go into there. Okay, that's going in. Finally. That's in. Get one of the bottom ones in. Okay. There we go. Technically, we've just installed a new hub.
That's much better.
That doesn't have any weird sounds coming on it. Very, very smooth. Alright, so we'll find the torque settings and then we'll see. So we've just discovered that it's supposed to be about 100 Newton meters. One more final push. There we go. Okay, that's all done. My arms are dying because that was a lot more than I was actually expecting. Now though, that's all done. Do we have, I don't think we really have to wipe it down that much.
Nah, should be right.
I'll just give it a little wipey wipe. And now we can chuck this back on. We'll chuck the brake fucking chuck the rotor on. There we go. Now we can chuck this bad boy back on, so we can actually have some brakes.
Oh.
Are they different sizes?
Different length bolts.
No. Oh wait, no, I reckon I know which one's which then. That's a lie, I don't. Hold up.
I think I know the top one's longer.
Yeah, the top one.
one's. I'll put this in the bottom one.
So, yeah, we'll do tighten the bottom one first, I think. You do it. We probably should have had like Loctite or something. Or anti-seize.
The bolts seem to be locking themselves.
Yeah, honestly, it's not like we actually need.
No.
Oh, we do have to figure out what torque specs these are, so we'll do that now. Okay, so we have discovered the torque specs for these brake calipers. They're 30 something. Oh my gosh, that doesn't even fit. That's got to be it.
Yeah, that'd be more than 25 pounds.
All right. All right. There we go. I think we did that way too tight on the other one. Yeah. Now we can chuck the wheel on and we should be good. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, alright. That's, now there's just brake noises. But now let's do the other side and see how fast we can, or see if it's as easy. What also came with the wheel hub bearings was a air freshener, which it's very nice. Don't need that. Oh, that actually looks kind of sick.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sicko mode, you mate. That smells like toilet freshener.
Yeah, it does, eh?
Oh gosh. Well, I guess. I think it's kind of I think it's actually illegal to have these on in Australia.
Yeah, should be right.
But you know what? For today's purposes, we're not going to be in Australia.
We're in Mexico.
Start her up. And then we'll try and see if we can hear any wheel noises. I hope we didn't leave anything out. You can just hear the brakes. Brakes probably, at least the rotors probably need doing. Alright. Now, usually there was a noise which I got a video of in the morning. Ooh. Around that. So, I think we've, yeah, okay, fixed. Fixed.
Fuck it.
That's it. I guess I should say the whole meaning of this one. It's because I need money, right, to buy parts. And I also need to wait for the parts to come in. And right now I don't have enough money to buy new parts. And I'm also waiting for one thing, actually probably like two things, for the Mercedes. So hopefully they'll come in relatively soon, so we can actually get back to doing that. And then the Navara, next paycheck I get, which is I think next week. Yeah, I think next week, I'm going to buy something for the Navara. So hopefully we can actually get started on the Navara build. But yeah, so this is just like a filler thing that might as well just get up there because why not? Anyway,